Hey everybody! Want to know about a new hidden gem in the city? There's a new English Art and Dance Academy called G&G, American English Club. Come with me and let me give you a tour of their two branches. As an English school for adults, they provide 3 courses for adults with certified teachers from America and the UK. What's interesting is that they only provide small VIP classes for adults. For children, they have cooking classes, art classes and dance classes in English. And of course, they specialize in effective and systematic English courses for children. The cooking classes use a personalized approach. The students have the tools, speak English and learn how to cook with their teacher. Dance classes and art classes are taught in English with foreign teachers. They only work with passionate and talented teachers. English classes for children and babies are small size with only 4 students and are with well-trained teachers from America and the UK. Trust me, your children will get a lot of attention from the lovely teachers at G&G American English Club. My favorite discovery is the G&G Art Cafe. They have one at all of their branches so that when parents drop their kids off for any of their classes, they can sit down and have a drink and relax. Classes take place anytime after school during the week and anytime during the weekends. Make an appointment today for a course consultation or a level test.